Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with DeAndre, and I actually got a little bit of his consultation on film, so I'm going to let him share with you guys what he needs.
Let's chat about the hair. Tell me a little bit about your hair, a little bit about your journey, kind of what you're looking to go to, goals, struggles, all that jazz.
Okay, so I got a chop actually like 2 years ago. Chopped off way more than I thought. And at the time, so I was like, what, 18, 19. I didn't really know how to do my hair basically, so it was more of a struggle and it just stressed me out. Because before that, I was using the sponge all the way up to high school. And I was just like,
right.
You know, I never
and
thought
it dries your hair out.
Yeah, and I just never thought my hair could
head curls.
Right,
to create
exactly.
that texture.
But after this, it helped start up like a journey with like actually learning my hair, and through like trials, like it's okay, yeah, this works, this doesn't work, and then after a while, it started getting to the point where like I really learned how to do my hair.
Okay, curls, come on through. Yep, you learned how to define it, learn what products work for you.
Yeah, so like I was like, okay, this is making sense now. Like I know what I'm doing. So now it's just to the point where I realize it's so big to where like I couldn't put it in a section. I couldn't just put one side to my head and just like run product through like that. It got to that point, and I noticed like the shape isn't there anymore. So because I think I sleep on this side predominantly, so like I'll keep it up a lot if it's not curly because of the shape. It just looks so uneven.
That would be considered where your split ends are.
Yeah, it's a lot, ain't it?
No, that's only about 1.5 inches. Yeah, so right at 1.5 inches.
Okay.
Is what your split ends would be. So that's all I'm gonna cut today. Just trim your ends and let you see how you like that shape. Because if you want it shorter, or if you want more of a tapered, if you want more of a defined shape, we can always come in and add that. But I just want you to see how you like it with your ends trimmed, because it's gonna balance it out first instead of having to take off more length. Because you may like the shape once it's just even.
Please subscribe to my channel for more dope beats. Please subscribe to my channel for more dope beats.
If you haven't already, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you guys like seeing my salon work, or you like my tutorials, my vlogs, my beauty videos, any of that, stay tuned for more, and make sure you guys hit the little bell so you can get a notification anytime I do upload. I upload every single Sunday, different content, and I would love to have you a part of the gang.
Please subscribe to my channel for more dope beats.
So I am going to use a little bit of the marula oil on it. Kind of fluff it up a little bit. Wood combs are always the best. And I do retail like the wooden detangle combs. And the pick and the rat tail comb. But the pick and the detangling comb for sure are the ones I recommend.
Okay.
I'm just making it big. Do you want it big? I'm just fluffing it. I just didn't want it to be flat, like, because it was under that hood of that dryer.
Go ahead, dude.
Look at them curls in the middle. Baby, those are some curls. And I want you to touch your hair. Touch it. See, it has a little bit of, it has a hole to it, but it's not hard. Like you can scrunch it and it's still gonna have the curl. It's not flaky. It doesn't feel like it has anything on it. And that's what you want. You want your products to make your hair feel balanced and still do what they do. That's how you know the products actually penetrated the hair and went in, because...
And they don't come off on your hands?
Right.
Okay.
Even though I use an oil. And you can touch this oil and feel it. See how light it is?
It's not heavy.
That's the marula oil. That's what you want. We don't have to have greasy. Greasy does not mean moisturized.
Okay.
Back in the day, baby, grease it down, honey. That's all we knew, though.
Please subscribe to my channel for more dope beats.
My hair looks so much better.
Yes. Fine curls all the way around, honey. And like I said, the back is not hanging so much. Like you have a balanced shape now. With not having to let go of extra length. You know what I mean? But like I said, if you decide you're going more of a defined shape, we can always come in there and give you a different shape. But this is just your hair with the ends trimmed, just balanced and even.